Bacon omelette. Here we go. 4, 6, 8 slices of bacon, whatever you want. I already got some. So let's go cut this up. So just chop your bacon up. Chuck it in a bowl. Get a bowl. 10 eggs. Alright, so we've got 10 eggs. So salt and pepper. A lot of salt, a little bit of pepper. No, a little bit of salt, a lot of pepper. Okay, so then you get some milk out and just put a little dash in of milk, like that. Just that way it won't be scrambled eggs, it'll be omelette. Alright, then we put it to the side. Coon cheese. Whatever cheese you want to use, whatever cheese you've got. Just a little bit, a little chunk off the end. Alright, you won't need that much. You will probably need half of that. Okay, so leave some to do a little sprinkle on top. And then grate a little chunk into it. Oh, that's about enough. Tomato. So far we've got eggs, salt, pepper, cheese. Everyone here doesn't like too much tomato. It doesn't matter how much you put in, it's totally up to you. Lots or a little bit. I love tomato, but everyone else don't like it too much, so we'll just put a little bit in. Tomato. Alright, and we've already cut the bacon. So we're going to load the bacon up. I put shitloads in. Alright, then a few extra things. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. I like a little bit of capsicum. Just a little bit, not much. Just a handful. Beat the shit out of it. So you can add anything you want. You can add a little bit of onion. If you don't have ham, you can do throw a bit of barbecue chicken if you've got some left over from the day before. Throw chicken with a little bit of corn in there. It's really yummy. You can make your omelette anyhow you want. I'll make a prawn one down the track, somewhere down the track. They're amazing too. Alright. Alrighty, so we've got it all mixed up. Heat your pan up, butter, margarine, whatever. Egg flip, leave it around. I've already got this one set on 7, it's one of those electric fries. Whatever you got, put it on just under half. You don't want to cook it too quick, you don't want to cook it too slow either. Pour it in. Scrape her out. Alright, while that's cooking, put a little bit more pepper on. A little bit of extra cheese on top of that. Love cheese. Oh yeah. and we wait for it to cook. Alright, see how it's starting to thicken up now? You're going to have a lot of runny stuff on top because of the cheese. Alrighty, see how it's gone light yellow on some of it? So, scrape under, flip over, scrape under, flip over, scrape under, flip over. And just cut it in a couple of chunks so a bit more of the runny stuff can ooze out. Don't forget, the runny stuff is cheese. Alright, pretty much one more minute and she's done. So next we'll get our toast on and we'll chuck it on there. Oh my gosh. Alrighty. Alrighty, so while that's cooking, get your toast ready to go. Whatever you've got to use. Oh really? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Beautiful omelette, hope you like them. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. There we go, folks.